Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lucky English for Beginners. I'm your host, and today we're going to practice 50 simple English sentences about food. These are perfect for beginners to learn vocabulary and talk about food. Repeat after me and try to use them in your daily conversations. Let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun lessons. 1. I eat an apple every day. 2. The banana is yellow. 3. She likes chocolate cake. 4. We drink milk in the morning. 5. He cooks rice for dinner. 6. The soup is hot and tasty. 7. They buy fresh vegetables. 8. I love pizza with cheese. 9. Mother bakes bread at home. Father eats eggs for breakfast. 11. The fruit is sweet and juicy. 12. We share ice cream. 13. She drinks water with lemon. 14. He cuts the bread. 15. The salad is healthy. 16. They eat sandwiches at lunch. 17. I like orange juice. 18. The meat is cooked well. 19. We try new foods. 20. She adds salt to the soup. 21. He peels the potato. 22. The cookie is crunchy. 23. They drink tea with sugar. 24. I eat yogurt with fruits. 25. Mother fries fish. 26. Father grills chicken. 27. The pasta is delicious. 28. We have soup before dinner. 29. She eats grapes slowly. 30. He drinks coffee black. 31. The pie is sweet. 32. They buy bread from the store. 33. I like spicy food. 34. The rice is white and soft. 35. We eat dinner together. 36. She makes a sandwich. 37. He eats an orange. 38. The candy is colorful. 39. They drink soda sometimes. 40. I cook eggs in the pan. 41. Mother chops vegetables. 42. Father eats nuts. 43. The burger is big. 44. We like fresh juice. 45. She bakes cookies. 46. He stirs the soup. 47. The food smells good. 48. They share the cake. 49. I eat cheese with bread. 50. We enjoy healthy meals. That's all for today's lesson on simple English sentences about food. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Practice these sentences every day to get better at English. If you have questions or more ideas, leave a comment below. Like this video, subscribe to Lucky English for Beginners, and hit the bell for notifications. See you in the next video. Bye!